this welder's protective mask from Amazon, from company's Yes Welder. I think it was about $65. And it's got an auto dimming feature, so we're just going to unbox it. So, nice carrying case, that's super cool. And some instructions and a battery. I like it. See how it looks. So, looks good. Pretty lightweight, adjustable for most size heads. Says, please remove this protective film prior to use. Auto darkening. This is model LY800H. And let's see what we got here. Looks like our controls are here on the side. We have weld, cut, and grind settings. That's pretty cool. So different amounts of darkening, and then you have shade control. You have the delay when it should kick on, and you have how sensitive. That's pretty slick. Please remove this protective film prior to use. Okay. You can see that it has like a photo sensor there at the top. Pretty futuristic looking. I like it so far. I think one of the best things I can tell just picking it up is that it's very light, and you want that if you're going to be spending some time welding. Looks like there's maybe two photo sensors here and here. So I imagine that when they see the bright light, automatically dims. We have this layer here. I'm supposed to remove this film too. Let's do that. This comes right off. And we can test it out. There we go. Alright, let's see. Yeah, so if you don't have it hooked up, let me turn off my light here. Looking through it, you know, you can see really well. It's just like wearing sunglasses. That is cool. Alright, let's take a look at the directions and figure out how to load that battery. Looks like you can adjust this really well. And then you have these tensioning knobs are pretty cool. So you can figure out like how tight you want it, so you can have the mask move up and down easily, or you can have it stay. This is the M800H user manual. So I got a MIG welder coming, but it's pretty funny. It comes with actually a protective face shield, but it's pretty hokey. So this is like a nice one for not much money. So you have the main characteristics, working principle described. You have some parameters. And then you have a breakdown of the parts. It's really good. You just read through it, see if it has a nice English translation. Turn the headband first to make the headband adjusting knob at the back of the head. Press with hand and turn counterclockwise the headband diameter adjusting knob to broaden the headband size, otherwise narrow it. So the translation's a little goofy, but not that bad. Adjust the band depth location hole to adjust the lengthwise position of the headband from head top to eye. So definitely figure all this out, no problem. So here is how we do the battery. The little plate comes out, stuff the battery in, close the plate, and you're all set. Cool. Let's see what the last page has. Has an ADF filter, precautions for use of helmet, after service. Has a warranty, that's nice. Oh, I like it. Okay. So, looks like when you want to put in the battery, this is on the inside of the helmet, just pull back on this little guy. Door opens. Oh, it's already got a battery. Wow. So they must have given us like an extra one. That's great. So if you put it on grind, I wonder if you have a bright light shine on it, if it'll auto adjust. I don't think these lights are bright enough, but we'll give it a test. Like it so far. So this just goes on top of your head, and this is behind your head, and it's pretty cool. If you turn this, this is gonna pull this in tighter. If you go to your left, it loosens it up. So once you put this on top of your head, you can turn it, tightens it up, and then you can adjust the screws on the side, and that can help you with when you want to have it open. You got it open, but if you flip your head down, it closes, so you don't have to use your hands. So having it up, you can see easily. Flip your head, and there you go. You got your protection, and it's automatic. So as soon as you start to grind, or as soon as you start to weld, it'll darken for you. I like it. Very cool. Welding Helmet Pro. And again, you can do, this must be for sensitivity, grind, cutting with a torch, or welding is the highest sensitivity, and it just senses that light, and at the speed of light, instantaneously it darkens this. Pretty slick.